How to install and download the Roblox into your laptop and the PC. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can install your Roblox in your laptop or the PC. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox, and once you are logged in here you have to select any one of the game that you want to play, and from here once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the play, you just have to click on it. Now Roblox is loading, you just have to click on the get ready, and from here as you can see that here is the option of the download and install Roblox. You just have to click on it rather than playing, you just have to tap on it. Now here is all of the methods to install your Roblox player. You just have to click on this join icon and you have to open the URL for your Roblox protocol, and after that you just have to install your Roblox. So this is how you can install and download your Roblox in your laptop or the PC. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.